Welcome to the introduction and overview video of our new plugins FartMan. All major DAW supported world's first AU and VST3 plugins for creating fart sound effects. Widely used in cartoons, TV commercials, and comedy industries. It has over 1,200 samples. Very easy to use and minimal multi-tabbed user interface. You can generate and tweak sounds from this section. And you can change EQ and add reverb from here. Drop-down menu for quick changing presets and fart sound models. Download now for Mac and Windows from RDGAudio.com.